Hello my lovelies, how are you all doing today? So I've got some PI. I got it from Influenster. So I'm not too sure which one they asked me if I wanted to try first of all. Well, they basically asked me about skincare. I'll just show you anyway. I'll do them both in one video. So it's by the brand Simple. I've not tried any Simple skincare for a long time, but I know that I do like it. So first of all, moisturiser, Simple Active Skincare Barrier Cream, Smooth and Soothing Water Cream with biolipids and aloe. I'm not a lover of aloe vera normally. Soothes skin and replenishes its natural barrier, and you get 50ml worth of product. It says dermatologically tested on sensitive skin, no perfume, no colour, no harsh chemicals that can upset your skin, non-comedogenic, I can never pronounce that word, hypoallergenic and vegan friendly. I'll show you. It's a nice little container. I've not used it yet, but I've had it for a while. I've had it for like 2 weeks and they're saying, how do you feel about it? So I need to use it soon. So we've got this. Yeah, it doesn't smell, like it said, no perfume. So looks like that. So we will be using that really soon. I think maybe I'll use it here. When I'm doing a live stream on YT, when I'm doing a get ready with me, I do my skincare within that live stream, but maybe I'll do a video of me putting this on, and then I can always like transfer the video over to all my other social media. I'm on Instagram and I'm on YT, and then they also sent me this. Must have a new range out. So Simple Active Skin Barrier Care 10% Vitamin C, E, F Glow Serum. Now they had a few different ones to choose, but I chose this one because of the vitamin C, even though I'm not much of a lover of like orange and things like that. So that looks like that. I've not opened it yet to smell it. It shouldn't smell though, should it? No, it doesn't. It looks like, I'll show you, it looks like quite milky, which normally, you know, it's like a liquid, isn't it? What does this one say? Powerful skincare made simple. Glow plus serum ingredients. We don't need to know that. How to use: shake well and apply once or twice a day onto cleansed face and neck before or together with your moisturiser for daytime. Always follow with a broad spectrum SPF. So it's good that I've got that then, even though I don't think they're from the same range. Skin Twin is science that works with skin's own biology for visibly glowing skin. 2% vitamin C, potent antioxidant that helps neutralise free radicals for brighter skin. 1% vitamin E helps protect from environmental damage and enhance radiance. 7% vitamin F seals in moisture and promotes a plump and luminous complexion. Now from memory, when I looked these up, I think they were really quite expensive, and Simple isn't normally that expensive, so I'm really looking forward to trying it. So then on the back it says clinically proven results, dermatologically tested on sensitive skin. So if you've got sensitive skin, you can use this. 84% agreed it leaves skin looking healthy. 83% agreed skin feels instantly smoother and softer. 88% agreed skin feels instantly hydrated. AM and PM daily, so you can do it twice a day if you want. Like I said, you cleanse first, then you treat with Glow Plus Serum, and then you moisturise, and then you protect. So I'm really looking forward to trying these couple of new products, and obviously we'll do it when I use it for the first time, which will be probably in a few days. I'll do a little video, a little demo for you. So that's the first parcel from Influenster. I've got quite a few. I've even got like some household products. I don't know if I'm going to show them. I might do, just so you can see what I've been sent recently. Influenster have been very kind to me. Like normally I would get probably one parcel every few months, but I've been getting a lot of parcels from them recently. Anyway guys, I'm going to love you and leave you for now. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.